Jumping in a booth here, do a quick demo for a guy that's practicing to pass the certification. I light up, I realize something is wrong, not hot enough, not enough wire feet speed, can't get it warm, stop. Check the machine, sure enough it's like 460 wire feet speed and 24.5 volts. If I crank it up to like 26 volts and 620, 615, somewhere in that area.
26 and 620. Started off way too cold. Apparently the wire.
At this point, I know the first couple inches of this plate's not going to be penetrated. It's just too cold. No way, wasn't going to penetrate. Now I've turned up. Should be smooth sailing. I'm going to go into this, pointing my arc almost straight in there. Very slight push angle. The reason for this is because I'm penetrating 1/2 inch 6061 T6 aluminum. I want my root pass to be penetrated, and to do that I really need to be pretty steep in that travel angle. I don't want to have an extreme push angle. It would come out flatter. It would come out looks nicer, but it's not going to be as penetrated, if at all. On my next two passes, the material's warm. I'm going to be concerned more about the cap and the visual aspect, so I'll start having a slight, a little bit more of a push angle uphill here. Move a little faster and it blends in pretty nicely. You can see the restart down there in the bottom quarter from where I went from the cold beginning and welded upwards. It's a bit of a fat blob where the restart is, but you'll see that part will actually get blended out fairly nicely. So here I go, second pass. 1/2 inch plate, fillet 3F. Typically that's a 1/2 inch weld. Vertical position 26, 620 root, 25, 520, 500, wherever you like it on the fill passes. You still got to get penetration, but you can make it look a little bit nicer. Now on the actual test here, we actually do a restart for each pass. That pass right there, I just ran it up real quick. Again, I'm doing my work performances, doing my job, just helping this welder out real quick and trying to give him a fast demo, and I thought, hey, this would be a good time to try to record this. So that's what I did. Now I'm going in for my third pass. At this point, the gun's pretty warm, the plate's pretty warm. It might be a good idea to set it in front of a fan, let it cool for a minute, but I'm trying to squeak it out. Watch the angle. And I'm going right at the toe of that root on the right side now. You see a slight greater push angle here. See that? A little bit flatter. Start fizzing a little bit there, that's fine. Stop. Decide, okay, I'll do a restart on this one. Why not? Let's do it. Now the big blob at the bottom is fairly well blended. I think the shadows make it look like it's a bigger deal than it is. It doesn't look that bad.
They have a duty cycle like anything else. If you're running it right now like I am,
and you'll see that when I actually take the plates to break them. I do get video of that. You can see it. I should probably also mention, when you're going in for the cap, your second, third pass, instead of pointing directly at the toe of the root, you actually want to emphasize a little bit more to each side plate to get proper sidewall penetration. I know that's maybe counterintuitive to what you'd be used to from most tests, but 1/2 inch aluminum fillet 6061 is no joke. Stuff's tough to penetrate. So you want to make sure you're getting good penetration in the sidewalls. Obviously your bead needs to be well fused together as well in the middle, but for the test I would recommend putting a little more emphasis in the sidewall when you're welding the toes.
Consistently, I try to just watch the puddle and make up for those sputtering spots. Now, Restart. It's okay. Not the best. It started a little bit. I probably should move a little quicker on the cap restart, but that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much for your assistance.